Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A6 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So, to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me is going to be the home screen. And once you have it open, all you need to do is press the power key and volume down. Like so, you get this animation and the screenshot has been captured. Now if you want to open the image to look at it, you can find it in your photo gallery. So let's open gallery right here. You can see there it is, so that's the screenshot. And from here you can edit it, delete it, share it. So all the things that you can do with a normal photo. So that is how you capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.